SmartMicroScope 5M wireless option. Let's get started by opening the box. The Wi-Fi Station Mini comes with a quick start guide that you'll find in the top of the box, a USB charging cable, and the Wi-Fi Station Mini. The Wi-Fi station must be charged for a minimum of 6 hours before use. You'll plug the charger into the smaller port on the Wi-Fi Station Mini and charge it for at least 6 hours. After it's charged, plug it into your 5M. And on the right side, you'll see a button. Long press it for at least 3 seconds. And when you do, a red light will appear. After a moment, that light will turn green, which means it's transmitting a signal wirelessly. You'll find the quick start guide in the box, and we're just going to walk through those steps. Go to your App Store and choose and search Wi-Fi image. After it is installed, go to your Wi-Fi settings and choose either XJ Wi-Fi box or Wi-Fi image, depending on your version. If it prompts you for a password, the password is 8 8s. Go to your home screen and choose Wi-Fi image, and you will get the live image. If you want to take a picture, click the camera icon and then the shutter button to take a picture. To record a video, choose the video option and then press the shutter button, and you'll notice that a timer begins. To view your images, go to your Photos area where you would normally go to view your images, and you will find all of your images and videos stored there. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for listening.